With some of the craziest features we've ever seen on a smartphone, the Tesla phone Model Pi is a real powerhouse of a device. For almost a decade, Tesla's concentration was almost entirely on producing excellent electric vehicles. But the company now revealed that it will also go into the smartphone market. One of the most technologically advanced phones ever produced is predicted to be the Tesla phone Model Pi, which will have a unique curved display, 3D camera technology, a retina scanner, face recognition software, wireless charging, and more. However, what specifically makes this phone so unique? This video contains all the information you need to know about the Tesla phone Model Pi. In terms of features, Elon Musk's company's debut smartphone is top-notch. The Model Pi smartphone features all of Musk's company's cutting-edge technology, giving it a distinct advantage that will allow it to overtake rival smartphones. We can barely scratch the surface of the vast ecosystem that Tesla used to build the most powerful smartphone ever. Other fantastic technologies are in the cards, some of which are already in other phones but are underutilized since their developers don't know how to maximize them. Take the rear-facing camera as an example. The cameras along the pipeline are not the first of their kind. However, it has some cool new capabilities, such as the capacity to capture video with one lens while taking pictures with the other. Similar to Apple, several manufacturers have struggled to incorporate a camera beneath the display. Simply put, the results have been unsatisfactory. However, visuals produced by Tesla technology will be clear and dazzling. As previously noted, the Model Python has access to a vast ecosystem made up of numerous enterprises. It includes Tesla, a company that creates high-performance electric cars; SpaceX, which Musk utilizes to develop space rockets and other out-of-this-world projects, as well as Neuralink, which he exploits to remove boundaries between the human brain and technology. Please make sure to smash that super thanks button if you enjoyed this video. What will be the price of Tesla's Model Pi? According to estimates, the cost of the Tesla Pi 5G smartphone would be between $800 and $1,200, making it one of the most expensive mobile devices currently on the market. That would be a wise financial decision in terms of functionality. Additionally, the company is well known for using a variety of payment gateways, which makes it easier for clients to purchase items and make payments for them using the method of their choice from the several options that are presented to them. The company also offers free shipping on purchases starting at $100 and higher. You won't have to pay any additional money to have the Tesla Pi 5G smartphone delivered directly to your doorstep. We'll look at the distinctive qualities of the phone and what each of these companies has added to the ecosystem of the Model Pi phone. For instance, Tesla is a leader in solar energy thanks to the high caliber of its output. It was simple for Tesla to implement the Python technology. This implies that you can charge the battery without a wall outlet by using the sun. This feature is not available on any other mobile devices. The vehicles made by Tesla are among the best in their class in terms of mileage. Your mind will be blown by the Tesla Pi phone's incredible battery life. The pipeline can go for several days without charging despite having a number of high-tech features. Combining the LiCharge battery with the previously stated integrated solar panels demonstrates that Tesla already possesses a winning phone. In fact, the EV division of Tesla isn't done adding to the Python just yet. Utilizing a worldwide network of superchargers, Tesla is without a doubt the innovator of quick charging for electric vehicles. The enormous batteries and semi-trucks that were initially designed for rapid charging are being scaled down to fit within a Model Pi smartphone, greatly improving the charging process. The recharge times will be incredible. The relationship between the Python and the Tesla-produced electric vehicles is mutually beneficial. Both iOS and Android users can get Tesla applications. However, because they were developed by outside developers, they are constrained. But because it was developed by Tesla, the phone model works better with Tesla cars, which opens up a lot of doors. It would even let you take back a car that was stolen. The EV company run by Tesla is still making processors and semiconductors. Even though it may come as a surprise, Tesla is now making chips because of a severe shortage in the auto industry. Musk doesn't wait for what he wants to come to him. Instead, if it doesn't, he makes it himself in the form of a Tesla. By putting this chip in the Tesla Python, the company is making chips with new materials that make them better at dealing with heat. It changes into a very powerful beast that can handle anything that is thrown at it. In this video, you'll see a great example of how powerful the Tesla phone's processing is, but Python gives you more ways to interact with Tesla products. Tesla's solar tiles could serve as photovoltaic cells, as well as a beautiful addition to your home's roof. You can generate your own electricity almost for free using this, allowing you to live completely independent of the power company. The Tesla Python allows you to remotely monitor and even suspend and resume your power generation. Excess power can be stored in battery banks, similar to those offered by Tesla, including the Powerwall. You can also remotely manage the system using your phone. Because of the Model Pi's close collaboration with it, it is possible to receive real-time notifications on the battery status, full or empty, while charging and discharging. SpaceX is an excellent addition to the Model Python's ecosystem. You might be wondering what a space company has to do with a mobile phone. The assistance provided by SpaceX to one of Musk's businesses is not unprecedented. SpaceX, for example, provides steel for the Cybertruck and is using the same metal to build the spaceship. That is the only way to get to Mars. The Roadster 20 is the world's fastest mass-produced automobile, with SpaceX helping to develop the propulsion system. Starlink, SpaceX's satellite internet service, is the company's first official entry into the Python ecosystem, and it is deeply intertwined with all of Musk's activities. Musk hopes to use the funds raised through Starlink to complete his Martian mission. The incorporation of Starlink's internet into the Python model is a huge plus. For example, the phone will have insanely fast data download and upload rates, which other phones can only dream of having. This year has already seen the start of Neuralink's human testing. Python also supports neural network interaction, allowing signals to be wirelessly transmitted from the user's brain to their phone via the technology. This enables users to control their phones with their minds rather than physically touching the device. The Model Pi phone's processing capacity is sufficient to decipher the language of the brain's electrical impulses and translate them into a form that people can understand. There is currently no other phone capable of doing so. With such a vast ecosystem, the Tesla Model Python will set the bar for all others to follow.